Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and a huge thank you to my new subscribers. Welcome to my channel. I'm happy you subscribed. And let's get to cleaning, but first let's go ahead and do my inspirational quote for today. This quote is again by Robin Sharma, and I thought it was quite fitting for today, and it says, "You can be a victim or you can be a leader, but you can't do both." So let's be leaders and not victims, and own our responsibilities, etc., and build people up. So without further ado, let's get into the cleaning.
So fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances say I'm nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
Funny how the story goes, little hope but bigger dreams. They try to bring a sucker down, singing louder than the crowd. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. The sun is getting warmer. Oh, when we soar away among the clouds, the sky is just a border. Oh, when we're floating up like helium. Sip me up like lemonade. We both know it's bittersweet. This sorrowness will bite your tongue. No one is forever young. No. Listen the rhythm, I'm feeling brand new. Keep pushing forward, it's gonna save you. Never look down, love, not when we shine so bright. young. You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. I see you hesitating while you're waiting, like somebody's gonna give it to you. You gotta chase it, gotta believe it. You gotta go get it for yourself. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure, you just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
The brightest sky I have ever seen, the most colorful one like a dream. You wake me up with a new white smile, and I know I'm truly alive. I wanna save every moment now. Hold tight, my love, we got this one right. And if they ask us where we've been hiding, we'll just shake our heads.
Okay, so it didn't come out very well with this right here, but over here it did a lot better. I think the gel though is not very accurate when you pour it on, and I think that's the problem right now. So I guess I'll just have to get out my big like carpet cleaner in a few days, but I can live with a stain on my rug for a few days. I decided to head over to Hobby Lobby to get some flowers and some fall florals, and I thought I would take you guys with me.
I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed. The fact that I'm obsessed with you.
I absolutely loved this wreath, but I decided not to get it until it goes on sale.
I confess.
They had a lot of cute things. Actually, this thing, like candle right here, I was obsessed with, and I need to go back and get it. But I decided on these little picks for a vase, but I also loved these ones, and I wish I would have bought them instead.
I confess, I let you in on everything, even the fact that I'm obsessed
So I decided to play around with some fall picks in this little black vase my friend made me. And I don't know which one I like better. When I don't like twist the bottoms, they kind of just splay out like this, which I guess is cute, but I don't know if it's what I want. So I'm going to show you guys two options, one with no like pearls and some with pearls. So please in the comments below, let me know what you guys think I should do.